take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to Jafrika TV, and today we'll be making a new recipe, something we've never done before. Okay, so today we'll be making ackee mushroom in our coconut sauce. We've never done this before, so we're looking forward to how it's going to turn out, how it's going to taste. So this recipe will be packed with a lot of flavors. We're using onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, a variety of sweet peppers. We're going to be using some young corn. I've never used that before in an ackee recipe. We're going to be using some carrots, some mushroom, and our coconut sauce. I'm telling you, I'm really looking forward to this. Completely cut up all my seasonings that I'll be using, and now I've moved on to my vegetables. So to this recipe we'll be adding string beans, guys, and I'm extra excited about these string beans because it came from our side garden that was picked this morning. They're fresh and crunchy and oh so green and delicious looking. Let's go! Adding a lot of salt to the pot. Then we're going to add our pre-plucked ackee to the pot. We're going to cook that halfway through. So we're not going to fully cook the ackee. We're going to cook it halfway through, and then stay tuned. Nice coconut cream. Now strain that out in our pot. I will never really put a lot of water to blend it because I want it as thick and as creamy as you can possibly get it, you know. I will allow this to boil down to what we call custard. That is when you see the crusting like over there. Yeah, we'll boil it down until we see that. Put in enough seasonings. Ooh. Has cooked halfway through, so we're just going to strain off the water off of it and put it down to go in our pot. Finish straining the ackee and put it one side. Look at this. Wow, this is a custard that we're talking about. So to that we're going to add our chopped seasoning. I'm going to withhold our sweet pepper and some of our tomatoes until it has started to cook because I want to retain the flavor of the sweet pepper. in the completed ackee dish. Our seasonings have been cooking for approximately 3 minutes, can cook 3 to 5, and then we're going to add our vegetables to the pot. You can add salt depending on the flavor that you want, the amount that you want. So as you can see, we have a great infusion of colors here. We have the yellow, the orange, the red, and the coconut milk. It just looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really looking forward to see how this turns out. I've never done anything like this before, so I love it. Just from the colors, I'm in love. So we're going to cover and allow to cook until the vegetables. So our vegetables have cooked. We're adding some mushroom to it as well, and then we're going to be adding our star of the show, our ackee. Wow. So I'm just going to break some of the ackee parts into smaller portions. Adding the rest of our tomato and our sweet peppers. This will add to the color and the great flavor of this dish. We're going to cover it again, and we're going to allow the ackee to completely cook, and the vegetables that we just added in. Bet you never guess what come with this. If you guess, you're a real Jamaican. Look at that. What come with this? Anybody who can guess what come with this before we unravel it? Drop it in the comments now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good whole roast yellow heart. This almost turned, so you won't say sweet. Perfect dish. Yo, ancestors are sing right now to see how we are dealing with their food here. Yeah, he's not a professional good food, but I'm trying my best. This is our completed dish. We're having bread or roast breadfruit, yellow heart, nice breadfruit. We're having some avocado, and then we're going to add our little ackee to that. ready now, my puppy? Yo! Oh Lord! Your breadfruit had an accident.
Movements of Africa movements. More life, more love, more strength, more togetherness. Only meditation is the higher heights of the higher heights. Jah guide and protect this vibration. Let it come to be a prosperity that every generation may sight and look forward to this as a living. Jah bless and keep everyone. More love, Rastafari.